Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, brothers. Good morning, my friend. My name is Muhammad Asman Sati. Today, I'm gonna tell you a story about the lion and the mouse. Do you want to hear my story? Okay, let's get started. Once upon a time, there lived a lion who ruled the forest. One day, after eating his meal, the lion fell asleep under a tree. A little mouse saw him and thought it would be fun to play on him. So he began running up and down the sleeping lion. He unwrapped the tail and slipped down the tail. Suddenly, the lion became angry with a loud roar. He grabbed the mouse with his huge paw. The mouse struggled but could not escape. The lion opened his big jaws to swallow him. The mouse was very scared. Oh, please don't eat me. Forgive me this time. Please let me go. I shall never forget it, and maybe one day I can help you. The lion was amused by the idea of not being able to help him. So the lion looked at his paw and let the mouse go. Thank you, King. I will never forget your kindness. You are lucky a friend that I just not eaten. Now go, but then you'll mess with me again, or I will make a meal of you. Ha 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 ha! A few days later, the lion was lying in the jungle. Roar! The hunters set a trap to catch the lion. The hunters hid behind the tree, waiting for the lion to approach the trap. As he did, the hunters pulled legs and caught him in the nets. The lion started to roar loudly, and tried to escape. But the hunters fell through the nets. The hunters went back to their village to bring a cart to transport the lion. The lion was still roaring loudly. All of the animals, including the mouse, heard the roar. Oh, the king is in trouble. I must return the favor. He still reached the lion. Then lion, my king, I am set you free. So the mouse used his sharp teeth to bite two legs. Finally, he freed the lion from the trap. The lion realized that even a little mouse can be a great help. Thank you, mouse. I will never trouble you again. Now, you are the prince of this forest. Thank you, King. Bye-bye. See you soon. So, the moral lesson is, even though the animals who are weak, small, like the mouse, can be a great help for the strong, like the lion. So, don't underestimate each other based on size or their appearance. Thank you for hearing my story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.